Let's talk about Hawaii, and specifically their volcanoes, because they're very interesting and not, they're the same, but they're formed differently than other volcanoes, which I think is cool. So, most volcanoes form around the boundaries of tectonic plates, where one plate meets up with another plate, and it does stuff there. But Hawaii, you can see on the map right here, is smack dab in the middle of the Pacific tectonic plate, which is not usually where volcanoes form. There's not very much volcanic activity in the middle of tectonic plates because the boundaries happen where plates either go towards each other or away from each other or beside each other, which causes movement and allows lava to well up in between the plates. That's where most volcanoes form, like the Ring of Fire. But Hawaii is in a very special location on the Pacific plate. It is right above a hotspot. So a hotspot is a place within the Earth's mantle where, due to convection, hotter lava is coming up and pushing the cooler magma aside. This creates a bulge of the hot lava right underneath the crust of the Earth. And due to convection currents constantly pushing the hotter magma up, due to hotter materials being less dense so they rise, this bulge releases the lava out, and so that creates the Hawaiian volcanoes. So hotter magma goes up, pushes the cold magma out of the way, and it continues to rise and escapes through cracks in the crust. This is also responsible for the formation of the islands themselves, because as the magma goes up, it meets the ocean water and it cools into solid rock, forming these volcanic islands. But what I think is very interesting is that these islands are in a chain. It's not just one big island just sitting there. There's a bunch of little ones all in a row. And that happens because of the plate tectonic movement itself. So the hot spot stays in the same spot on the Pacific plate, but as the actual plate itself moves, it gets dragged over the hot spot, and as it moves, little islands pop up in the direction the plate is going as they are left behind by the plate movement. So the plate goes over the hot spot, and as it moves, the magma wells up and makes these islands all in a little chain, and I think that's very fun.